Toyota has just pulled the wraps off one of its most exciting new SUVs, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, a compact off-roader that's small in size but big in attitude. Expected to go on sale in select global markets in early 2026, this little beast could be priced around $28,000 to $35,000, depending on region and specifications. Sadly, Toyota has confirmed that the new Land Cruiser FJ won't be coming to North America or Europe anytime soon, which is heartbreaking news for off-road fans who love the original FJ Cruiser. But make no mistake, this baby Land Cruiser isn't just a design exercise. It's a real 4x4 built for dirt, mud, and adventure, combining retro style with genuine off-road capability in a fun-sized package. Under its hood, it packs a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, producing 161 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and part-time 4-wheel drive. The chassis is based on the rugged IMV platform shared with the Toyota Hilux pickup, meaning this is no soft urban crossover. It's a proper ladder frame off-roader, measuring about 180 inches long, 77 inches wide, and standing just over 6 feet tall. It's roughly 11 inches shorter than the Hilux and rides on a 1-inch wheelbase, giving it great maneuverability for narrow trails and city streets alike. Toyota hasn't revealed the exact ground clearance yet, but photos suggest it's more than capable of handling rocky terrain. The company even confirmed that the wheel articulation is equivalent to the legendary Land Cruiser 70 series, which means this little SUV has the bones of a true adventure machine. The design is what makes the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ instantly recognizable. It brings back the retro modern look of the original FJ Cruiser. Boxy proportions, circular headlights, bold Toyota grille, and upright stance, but in a smaller, more playful form. The body features practical touches like removable front and rear bumper covers, allowing off-roaders to replace or repair parts easily after rough trail sessions. The squared-off design, short overhangs, and high-mounted taillights add to its muscular yet adorable personality. Toyota engineers also strengthened the underbody with additional bracing to improve rigidity and protect vital components during off-road driving. Inside, the Land Cruiser FJ focuses on toughness and simplicity rather than luxury. The cabin uses large physical buttons and knobs that can be operated while wearing gloves, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. The interior is expected to feature durable materials, practical storage options, and a clean, functional layout inspired by the Hilux and Fortuner. There's no word yet on digital screens or infotainment, but Toyota says visibility and ergonomics were top priorities. The low belt line and upright seating position ensure drivers have a clear view of the terrain ahead. Performance-wise, the Land Cruiser FJ may not be a powerhouse, but it's all about balance and reliability. The 2.7-liter 4-cylinder is a proven workhorse used across Toyota's global lineup, known for longevity and low maintenance costs. With part-time 4WD, a low-range gearbox, and enhanced wheel articulation, this SUV is designed to handle steep climbs, deep mud, and uneven trails with ease. Toyota claims it also features removable panels and durable skid plates, allowing owners to take the vehicle into extreme conditions without fear. When it comes to the driving experience, the FJ aims to deliver what Toyota calls freedom and joy, the two words behind its FJ name. Despite its compact size, it promises the same adventurous spirit that has defined the Land Cruiser lineage for decades. It's the kind of vehicle that reminds you off-roading doesn't have to mean luxury and bulk. It can also mean fun, simplicity, and freedom. Production is expected to begin in mid-2026, with initial launches in Japan, Thailand, and parts of Asia and Latin America. Toyota hasn't confirmed hybrid or diesel versions yet, but rumors suggest that other engines from the Hilux range, possibly a small turbo diesel, could join later, depending on market demand. Unfortunately for American fans, Toyota's North American lineup will continue focusing on larger, TNGA-based vehicles like the Land Cruiser 250, Tacoma, and 4Runner. Still, the Land Cruiser FJ represents something special, a return to Toyota's roots of building small, affordable, and unstoppable off-roaders. It sits somewhere between the Suzuki Jimny and the 70 series in spirit, offering the perfect balance between agility, strength, and nostalgia. It's fun-sized but fearless, classic yet contemporary, And it proves that rugged capability doesn't need to come in a massive package. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is everything fans have been asking for. Compact, capable, and charismatic, even if we can only admire it from afar.